Good evening, everybody. So already it is 7:36. So let me start. I don't want to delay for other people because the people who have already joined should not face the problem. Okay. So as I tell in the classes that please open Art Studio, go to session, set working directory, choose the directory. Okay. So please do that. Do this, everybody. Okay. So in the last class, we have seen check if an item exists in the matrix. So that was done. So we'll move forward and we will check the number of rows and columns in the matrix. We will use a dim function. Okay. So before that, we need to run this. Which one shall I take? Let it be because this is important. Otherwise, we will not get the matrix. We'll just put it in the group. Now what we have to do is we'll write the dim function. Dim means dimension. Dim m means dimension. Okay, so 2 rows and 3 columns. So done, everybody. So we'll move further. So we will try to find out the length of the matrix using the length function. So simple thing, we will be giving length. So there is a little difference between the initial dimension and this dim, as I told, dimension, but it will find out the number of rows and columns. That is actually the dimension. And here in this length, the dimension is the complete length. How many total number of elements are there? Okay. So that you have to understand it. That dim function, though it means dimension, but it is actually denoting the number of rows and columns, whereas the length function is actually telling the total number of items. We can now even combine two matrices using the functions like we had used in the previous class, R bind and C bind. So already we have taken one matrix. Okay, I do not give this one. We made one more matrix. Okay, no problem. We'll make one more matrix. I'll give it as M1. M1, I will change the items. Let it be AB, BC, 45, 51, 71, and KJ. Okay, and this is M1. Okay, so now we will combine both the matrix using first using a row bind and next using column bind. So okay, so as I told you, what we will do, we will first use R bind. So here I will give you M2 equal to R bind. What I have given here, M comma M1. Okay, and we will see the M2. Okay, so both the matrix are combined. Now we'll use the C bind in a similar manner. C bind. Okay. So today it is a weekend. Because of this reason, I think people have not joined. So Rishita, Hamsini, please communicate to others. If you are missing the classes, it is a loss for you only. Anyway, I am providing the recordings, but recording is not a solution. Okay, and it will be
Yes,
very
sir.
difficult for me to take any remedial classes. Okay, just try to communicate, because from your batch there are very few people. I think one, two, three, four.
Sir, basically they are thinking weekend and it's a holiday.
I told yesterday, right, that today I will be taking the class.
Yeah, sir.
Okay. Okay. So tomorrow I think I will give you a holiday. What is that? Weekend and Sunday I will give you a holiday, but today it will be difficult. Okay. So this is done. Let us move to the array analysis. I think I gave that C bind. Yeah, C bind is given. Arrays. The next part. So you can create an array using, say for example, if you are giving colon, okay, so it will take it as a range. So let us see what it gives. Okay. So if you just give this 1 is to 20, it will give you 20 elements. So, so always no need to write manually the numbers between 1 to 20. You can use this colon. Okay, let us move further. Let us give this array dimension. Okay, we'll give a different name. So let us see if it is correct or wrong. Okay. So what we did is we created a row array having 4 rows, 3 columns, and 2 dimension. Okay. So 4 rows, 3 columns, and two. This is one and this is two. Okay. Okay. Please do this. I will request you to not to copy the code which I am giving you. Rather, it is always it will be helpful that you are typing this code so that you will understand your own mistake in typing. Done, everybody? Rishita, Varshini,
Yes, sir.
Varshini,
Yes, sir.
done. Osuri, Hamsini,
Yes, sir.
okay. Pratima, I think you joined late. And yeah, Pratima, you joined late. Are you following it?
Yes, sir. I'm actually traveling, so I won't be able to do it at the same time. But I'm paying attention, so I'll do it once I'm back at my desktop.
So now what I will try to do is I will try to access the array items. So if I give here M1, sorry, A1 bracket, okay. So let us see what it takes. So 232, check it everybody if it is correct or wrong. So first you can understand that 2 is the dimension. So it will take from here. Second, then it is second row, third column. Second row, third column is 2. So you have got the answer as 2. Okay. Now if I give you something else like A, so 3 comma 2 comma 1. So what it should print? Anybody? So 3 is here. First of all, I will check 1. 1 is the first one. Then it is 3. It is 2. So check if it is correct or not that it is printing. Sorry. Yeah, 3 2. 3 2 will come here. Okay. Incorrect number of dimension. Oh, sorry. Yeah. So it has come correct. because I gave A, that's why it took that initial one. That is why you should always type it. So if you are, you will understand your mistakes. So I will give you one homework. That is for tomorrow. Tomorrow there will not be class. So make an array of 50 elements with dimension of dimension having 3 rows, 4 columns, and with I will not give here having and dimension. Actually, here I cannot call it as row arrow, and this is the dimension. It will come here, or you can say array number. It is called as multi-dimension. Dimension of 3. Retrieve from first row, third column, and second dimension. Then retrieve elements from second row, last column, and third dimension. So this is your homework. Let me see how many people are able to do it. Okay, this will be for tomorrow. So try to do it, everybody. Okay, let us move further. So you can even access the whole row or whole column from the matrix. Sorry, yeah. Access whole row and whole column. So what is the name I gave? A1, A1, Okay. So this one I gave. So whole row it has accessed. Okay. 1, 5, and 9. Okay. This is whole row. This will be whole column. Okay. So it is accessed the first column. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Any doubt, anybody? Rishita, any doubt? Varshini,
No, sir.
Hamsini,
No, sir. No, sir.
No, sir.
Osuri, Osuri, are you following? Osuri, are you following? Okay. So we will check if an item exists in the array. So what I will do here is 9 in, what is the array name I gave? A1, right? So let us see. True. True. 900. False. Okay. Done. Rishita, Varshini, Hamsini, done?
Yes, sir. Done.
Yeah, sir.
Okay. So let us move ahead with the dimension. So number of rows and columns. So we'll again use the dim function. Okay. So 4, 3, and 2 it has given. can find out the length also. So same command, length A1. Okay. Done everybody? Yes or no? Today we will try to create one data frame, and then I will stop for today. So data frame we had created in the last class. I will just show you. So remember we had created this in the last class. So let us do it again. Okay, same data. Okay, let us see if you are able to create this. Okay, let us move ahead. How we can do it in R. Okay. So I will give the name as the data frame. Data frame. Data frame. This is the command. Okay. First I will give as name equal to C. What are the names we had given? Anybody? So Raghavendra, Priyanka, Varshini, I will also give for the others. So Raghavendra, Priyanka, Varshini, who is there? Rishita. Then who else is there? Pratima. Then who else is there? Okay. I think this many people are here. Okay. So first one is done. Then I had given what? Class. What class I had given? MSc, MSc, BTech, Raghavendra MSc, Priyanka MSc, Varshini is BTech. Then Raghavendra, Priyanka, Varshini, then Rishita. Then I have Pratima and Osuri. So it should match the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Then what I had given? Subject. What subject I had given? Bioinfo, biotech, bioinfo. If I am doing any wrong, please let me know. Then Priyanka is biotech. Then 6 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Then one more I had given address. So first person is Raghavendra is Bangalore, I think. Yeah, Bangalore, Durgapur, Bengaluru. Then Varshini is Hyderabad. Rishita from which place?
Hyderabad only, sir.
Hyderabad only. Pratima,
Yes, sir. Same.
same. Osuri,
Hyderabad only, sir.
Osuri which place?
Hyderabad, sir. Hyderabad.
Sorry, I don't hear you. Same place, yes or no?
Yes, sir. Hyderabad.
Same place, sir.
Okay. So is it all 6 are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. So we have to close it. Now, if it is correct, it will print the answer. Otherwise, it will give an error. So to check out if the brackets are correct, when the bracket and the comma should be correct, then only it will print. Otherwise, it will give an error. Let us see if it is giving an error or it is printing properly. So there is an error, unexpected symbol in somewhere it has come in the first line only. So what I will first I will reduce it. Yeah.
We got this error before where you got it because of double quotes. Try changing to single quotes.
That is not an error. Single quote will
Yeah,
not
but
be.
it came before as well, sir, in a previous class.
No, the thing, yeah, last time I forgot to tell you. Uh, yeah, I will just tell you this one. That was not an error. This is what happened is that mm, see, wait. If you are putting like this, it will give an error. Okay? But whereas if it is coming as just, then it will not be error. I will just tell you properly. This will give you an error, whereas um, this will not give you an error. Okay, just remember this one. This is error. This is not error. This is not an error. Okay, that I forgot to tell you in the last class because this is the problem with R. Now let me see what is the error. Error is here. That is the problem. Error is here. This comma. Comma is needed. Okay. Now we will not get the error. No error. So that is the problem. You should know where is the error. Okay, please execute it. Now you can print it. So what is the name I gave? Data frame. Data frame. Okay. Names, class, subject, and address. So good that error came so that you understood that where was the error, because after each and every line you should put a comma. So while writing, I just forgot, I missed it to put the comma. Understood, everybody? So I will give you one more homework to prepare a data frame for your for all your classmates. Prepare which will